In this video, I'm going to show you how to ensure that your meta events are working properly by testing them in the test events function in Meta Ads Manager. Most advertisers install the Meta Pixel and assume that it's working, but you have to first set up all of your events and test that they're working correctly before you launch any campaigns, and that's really key. A huge number of ad accounts are optimizing campaigns on completely broken event data. Now, we audit hundreds of accounts a year, and we see this on at least 50 to 60% of accounts. Sometimes events don't fire at all, sometimes they fire twice when one event happens, and sometimes they trigger the wrong events entirely, like a contact form submission firing for both a lead event and a purchase event. When this happens, Meta's algorithm starts optimizing your campaigns for the wrong things, and that's when accounts quietly start burning through your money. And the scary part is that most advertisers never even realizing this happening, but now you do. So let's jump in to Ads Manager and I'll show you how you test that your events are actually working properly. Let's go. First of all, you're going to come into Ads Manager and you're going to go into the Events Manager section. Once you're here, select the correct pixel and quite simply come up here to test events. Select the correct channel. On this occasion, we're going to be going for website. We're not going to test the server event tracking. We're going to check website events are firing correctly. Once you're in here, you are going to go to the relevant website and select test events. Once you've done that, quite simply, you want to start going through and taking the actions that you want to test are working correctly. So this is one of our clients' e-commerce. So we will, for example, click add to basket and review and checkout. Now, what I would do is I would go through all of the process. I'm not wanting to order whatever that was, the Astro Essentials item from this client, but I would go right through the checkout process and I would check each way of paying. So the Google Pay, the normal way via the card, and the PayPal. And you come back into this section and you can see that those events are now firing. So we've got a page view, a subscribed button click, the add to cart. So if I click checkout, let me see if that fired an event for initiate checkout. Yes, there we go. So we can see it. So you can see the actions that I then take on that page are coming through here. What you do want to check is that you're not getting multiple events being reported, multiple events happening, because that is really, really common. And if you're over reporting events, that causes your optimization to work incorrectly, which can really screw up all of your campaigns. So that's it. It's nice and simple. If you want to test that all your events are working, that's how you do it. There is a way to check that your conversion API events are working, but generally speaking, in our experience managing hundreds of accounts, if your pixel events are firing correctly, your conversion API events will be firing correctly too. So I hope that helps. Please ensure that you do that before you launch any campaigns, and we'll see you next time.